the BJP party.
As many as 5 sitting legislators will join the UDP on the 18th. This was informed by UDP President Metbah Lyngdoh. Talking to the reporters, Lyngdoh said the party has identified candidates in another 15 seats and a third list of candidates will be declared soon. He also informed that the party is working on its manifesto, which will be out soon. So far, UDP in its 2 lists have declared 34 candidates.
The third list will be most likely day after tomorrow.
How many, I think we are expecting that there's some number of candidates we are
I can't say right now because state election is yet to see. But last time also we said there are about 5 candidates, out of which only 2 we could announce. So
As
I
of
can't
now,
say.
how many seats we are able to...
We have already announced 34 seats. Yeah.
how many seats you have already identified candidates?
We have identified almost another 15 seats.